Programming a key fob for your 2006 Chevy Tahoe is straightforward. First, ensure your Tahoe is unlocked with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition. Cycle the key between on and off 10 times within 15 seconds, or 20 times for 2004-2006 models. Leave the key in on. Doors will automatically lock and unlock. Press and hold both lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 15 seconds. The doors will cycle again, indicating the fob is programmed. Repeat for additional fobs within 40 seconds. Turn the key to off to exit programming mode. Test each fob to ensure they work correctly. This method syncs the remote to the vehicle's body control module via radio frequency at 314 MHz. Before starting, ensure you have a working key with a transponder chip that matches your vehicle. Make sure your key fob has fresh batteries, as weak batteries commonly cause programming failures. Remember, a maximum of 4 fobs can be programmed to a single Tahoe. If programming fails, check for BCM issues or damaged and incompatible fobs. Some aftermarket fobs require additional tools and may have different programming procedures. A common mistake is not timing the ignition cycles precisely, which can activate the anti-theft system. Disconnecting the battery briefly can sometimes prevent anti-theft activation. For persistent issues, especially BCM problems, consult a professional mechanic. DIY programming costs about $20 for fob and batteries versus $150 at a dealership, but errors can damage the BCM. After programming, test all fob functions, including lock, unlock, and panic button if available. Avoid cheap fob clones as they are vulnerable to hacking.